Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your PlayStation 5 very easily. So I'm just on the home screen of my PlayStation 5. I want to go up to the top and go to Settings, and then select this, and then scroll on down until we get to where it says Accessories. Then under here, let's go to Bluetooth Accessories. So I have my DualShock 4 controller right here. I'm just going to go ahead and just delete this so I can reconnect it. Now, on your PlayStation 4 controller, you want to hold down the sharing button and the PlayStation button and put this into the Bluetooth sync mode. And the blue light should begin to blink after about 5 seconds. So it's blinking, and it should show up under Accessories Found. Take your PlayStation 5 controller, and all you have to do is simply select it now, and you can connect it via wirelessly to your PlayStation 4. Now sign in with an account, and it should be connected and ready to use on your PlayStation 4. Now, when you're using your PlayStation 4 controller on the PS5, you can only play PlayStation 4 games. You won't be able to play PS5 games with it at all. So you have to go to the home screen here, and you have to look at this icon. So Minecraft is a PS4 game. I can play that game. But I want to be able to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 unless I download the PS4 version with it. Now, the other way that you can easily connect your controller is with a simple USB cable. So if you have like an old phone laying around, just simply connect this to the front USB slot on your PS4 and then connect it to the controller, and this should connect on over right away. And then press the PlayStation button. If it's not connecting and it's charging, just try pressing the PlayStation button numerous times or allowing it to charge for about 5 to 10 seconds before trying this. But then you have to choose an account and your PlayStation 4 controller should be connected. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.